Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to show you 4 different types of QBits, which are for different electrical wiring purposes. QBits are used to make accurate holes in drywall for old work electrical boxes or for low voltage brackets. I'll be using an oscillating multi-tool to make these holes with the QBits. First, I'll be using a Milwaukee 18-volt oscillating tool. Then I'll be using 12-volt oscillating tools, and we'll see if they can do the job. The first QBit that I'll use is for a 2-gang old work box. The second one is for a low voltage bracket. The third one is for an old work metal box, and the last one will be for a single gang old work box. First, I'll put the QBit on the oscillating tool and tighten it down. Put the QBit right where you want it. And one note with this Milwaukee oscillating tool is that there is no variable speed on the trigger. There's a variable speed on the side of the tool, and what you really need when you do this is to start out real slow so it doesn't jump, and then you need full power, so a variable speed trigger would be very useful. There are 12 speeds on the side of this multi-tool, and I started at speed number 9. And so here it's going, this 2-gang box. This is taking a little longer than I thought it would take. And checking it out, no, it's not through. So I'm going to turn it all the way up. Here's speed 12. Let's see what it'll do. Turn it on, and here we go, here we go, here we go. It's, there we go, it's through. Okay, speed 12 really helped out. And there it is. And now we're going to put the box in the hole. Let's see how it fits. Oh, that's a nice snug fit. That's real nice. There we go. Now we'll tighten it down. Tighten both screws down all the way until the wings make excellent contact with the back of the drywall. Here's the finished product. Now I'll use the low voltage QBit that's designed for low voltage brackets. This one was quick and easy. Now let's see how the low voltage bracket fits. Once again, it has a couple wings that tighten up to the back of the drywall. And this low voltage bracket fits great. Now for the metal old work box QBit. Little screws on both sides are keeping it from fitting, so I'll cut slots to get the screws to fit. After tightening up the screws, metal flaps on the metal old work box tighten up against the drywall. Here's the finished product. And now for the QBit that is designed for your standard plastic old work box. Here's the final product. Now let's try the 12-volt oscillating tools. This is the new Dewalt. Man, that thing's already on there. See how fast that was? It's got a little lever, and you depress it and just put your bit on it. It's great. Let's see how it performs with the low voltage bit. It's very nice to have a variable speed trigger on this tool, so you can start slow and the bit doesn't move around on you, and then you can go to full speed. The problem with this tool is it doesn't have a lot of power, but it did get the job done, and there's a very nice fitting low voltage bracket. Last but not least, here's a Milwaukee 12-volt oscillating tool with the low voltage bit, and let's see what it can do. It has a lot more power than the Dewalt, and oh boy, it's already through. That was a lot faster. That 12-volt tool doesn't have the features that the Dewalt does, but it has a lot more power. So let me give you an overview of these bits. The double gang bit is pretty good. It's going to take a little longer than the other bits, and you're going to need an 18-volt oscillating tool, but I'd say that's a pretty good one. And then the low voltage bit is fantastic. that's highly recommended. That's quick to use. It'll really speed up your work. The low voltage one's highly recommended. The QBit for the old work metal box is so-so. You can see there's quite a bit of space around it when you look at it. And so it's not highly recommended, but it's pretty good. A little drywall mud would fix it up quite well. The QBit for the regular standard plastic old work box, those are great. Highly recommended. The 12-volt tools, man, I wish they'd put excellent features on the Milwaukee or excellent power on the Dewalt. Neither one of them is perfect. Between the two, I think I'd take the Milwaukee just because it has more power, though. And the 18-volt Milwaukee has a lot of power. That's a nice tool. But boy, I wish it had a variable speed trigger. If it had the feature where you could put the bits on quickly like the Dewalt, that'd be fantastic. So there's my reviews. I hope this video is helpful. These QBits are excellent ways, if you use them a lot, to increase your production and speed things up. Now there's cheap knockoffs from, we'll just say overseas, okay? Let's say there's overseas knockoffs of these QBits. The QBits are made in the USA, and they're made of high quality stainless steel. They're going to last longer, they're a lot better. I'll put links in my video description for the QBits that you saw in this video. And I'll put links for the Milwaukee oscillating tools, 18-volt and the 12-volt. And I'll put a link for the new Dewalt 12-volt max oscillating tool. Hey guys, I'm giving away Sparky channel stickers today. I have the regular great Sparky channel stickers. I have the EMT bending Sparky channel stickers. And I have the Ohm's Law and power calculation stickers. So the first 10 that write in to WPM44@yahoo.com that have a USA address. The first 10 to write in can have some stickers. I can give you 4 stickers, and that can be 4 of one kind or any mix that you would like. Please be sure to provide your name and address. Otherwise, I won't be able to get them to you. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.